Zoom WFM offers a series of notifications both to admins, supervisors, as well as agents. This is found in the Preference tab underneath the Notification setting. Coming here, notice you have three types of notifications that can go out: email, Activity Center, or to SMS. I can quickly toggle these on or off with check boxes to push those notifications. Additionally, if there is a time frame for our out-of-adherence agent alert, I can click the gear icon and I can notify them at the 1 minute threshold. From a supervisory perspective, I'm going to notify them at 5 minutes. I have 4 minutes of time for the agents to self-correct their own behavior. For those notifications, you might want to use your SMS. In order for an SMS notification to be received by that individual, their Zoom profile must contain that SMS contact number. Otherwise, the system won't know who to send that notification to. For generation notifications, only the person who generated the adherence report will receive that notification. Only the person that generated the schedule, only the person that generated the forecast receives those. For other notifications from an admin and supervisory perspective, if you have admins and supervisors assigned into scheduling groups, only the people affected, only the scheduling groups affected and the supervisors assigned to those scheduling groups will receive those notifications. From an agent perspective, schedule activity changing is defined in multiple different ways. If you want to see what those notifications look like, this is a text message that was received. Notice it says Zoom Workforce Management is advising Eric Mellum has been out of adherence. Again, 5 minutes and 9 seconds. If you're wondering about Activity Center within your Zoom workplace, this is your Activity Center. The red dot means I have notifications available. I can click that and view those notifications. Again, you have the option to choose 3 types of notifications for Zoom WFM: email, Activity Center, and SMS, as long as that number is input on their Zoom profile. Thank you for learning about Zoom WFM's notifications.